Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show here how you should start to go something important, which is change shape. First, what you're gonna do is about to, and this is really to be important through something that we can start about, which is really about talking about the shape. So we have to go for this example to draw circle shape. Now, once you do that, you can start right here to replace it. I will just corner slides radius slides vectors, which is dependable on this moment. So we're gonna start right here to go with this thing in this progress. So that is really about how you can okay, actually through appearance, through stork, through effects. I think it's really through effects position spread, but it doesn't affect on the side of making a side of this one, and that is all about